Emotionless this city lies. Cruel it is, it clouds my eyes. The dark shades on my day. I live inside this play, locked up inside my metal cage, always tense and filled with rage. Above the concrete feels below. With you I wanna go.
Music is my sanctuary, music is my blanket.
I see only what I wanna see. I'll be only what I wanna be. Yeah. My blanket covers me.
Yeah, check it. Now as a youth, man, I was body popping, breaking on the lino. Traded in Milano for a pad and a biro. Used to stand in line just so as I could sign my gyro. But now my ends are meet in the best way that I know. And the beats that go boom. See the music I consume to escape the doom and gloom. All the beats and melodies that keep realities at bay. But what happened when the record done and start to fade away, fade away?
Alone within myself again. I try to veil away my pain. The dirty grey surrounding me round, and now I hear no sound.
I feel like Melly Mel from way back in the days, as I wonder how I keep from going under. I got trouble on my mind like my name was Chuck D, and like Marvin Gaye it makes me wanna holler. But when the music hits me I feel no pain. That's why I gotta put you on again. And again I take the needle off the techniques and put it in my vein. All my troubles get crushed as the rush hits my brain. And the way
I
it goes,
see only
down
what
the
I
drain.
wanna see. I'll be only who I wanna be. Yeah. My blanket covers me.
Music is my sanctuary, music is my blanket.
I see only what I wanna see. I'll be only who I wanna be. My blanket covers me.
Music is my sanctuary, music is my blanket.
You are my living world. You are my living world. You are.